Hi, and welcome back to beautiful Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, where we are building a new, beautiful custom home. Join us today as we install the roof. As you know from the first two videos, we have already completed the framing of the walls. Today is going to be thrilling to install the roof truss, and we're glad to share this experience with you. To install the roof truss, we are using a 5-ton crane that extends up to 100 feet. This heavy-duty crane is essential to reach the farthest and tallest parts of the home. There are many complex offsets and angles in this roof truss system, which needs to be assembled with the utmost attention to detail. Simultaneously, you'll see we are working on the retaining rock wall leading up to the house. This 100-foot long wall ranges from 1 foot to 15 feet in height. The first course of boulders vary in weight between 2,000 to 3,000 pounds each, 6 feet in width, and are using an excavator and rock claw to set each piece precisely. These boulders are strategically placed at precise angle so they retain the earth around the perimeter of the home. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. To learn more, visit jamesdavidcustomhomes.com or follow us on social media at James David Custom Homes. Let's build excellence together.